Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. Today's video will be monitored by Godzilla. In this video I will be showcasing one coin from my collection. So let's start. This is a pre-independence era coin. A coin which was struck during British India rule. As you can see, the denomination of this coin is 1/4 Anna and the year is 1936. There are two unique things about this coin. The first is that this is an error coin, and the second is that this is a cancelled coin. This coin was meant to be struck in bronze, but due to an error by the mint, it got struck in some other material. And as soon as the mint realized that they have committed an error, they inserted two holes in it in order to cancel it. So this is an error plus a cancelled coin. On the back of it, it has a portrait of King George V. He was the second last ruler of British India Empire and the one who succeeded King Edward. George V, King Emperor, is embossed on it. Thank you for watching it.